It's getting warm.
Hey, family. Yeah, I'm out and about today. Today is January 1st. First day of the new year, 2025.
2025.
2025. And it's gloomy. It's raining. We got drizzle and light snow. It's not ideal for starting off the first day of the new year. But we got something for you guys. Hopefully it help you throughout the year, put you in a real good place, feel good about yourself, about your life, and start off the new year on the right way.
Okay, so the top 10 things to normalize 2025. So the first one is saying no sometimes. I think that so many of us, we just want to please people. We don't know how to say no. Sometimes just say no. I think your peace is priceless. I think sometimes people get caught up. I know I do. I can't speak for other people directly, but use this year. I'm gonna normalize saying no. Number 2 is living your best life and being unapologetically you, instead of trying to be what someone else wants you to be. 3 is like doing something to just inspire you, chasing your passion, whether it's because you want to do art or you want to leave one profession to go into another one. You got to want to do the things that give you peace and joy and chase after your passions. Number 4, smiling more. It's free and it's contagious. Encouraging people to smile more. And number 5 is speaking to people even when they don't speak to you. Just saying hi, because you never know what that person might be going through that day. So just saying hi and speaking to somebody goes a long way. Number 6 is to stop spilling the tea about your friends when you fall out. I think that's something that we all as humans should work on. And number 7, going on a road trip. Those one tank trips are something. They're meaningful. It gives you an opportunity to really, really discover the joys of just driving, not jumping on the freeway, but just taking the back roads and just having a conversation with whomever you're riding with, or even by yourself, and listening to some good music and, getting a peace of mind. Number 8, don't believe everything you see and hear on social media. In the world of AI now, you just can't believe everything you see on social media. Number 9, liking both Drake and Kendrick Lamar is okay. Simple, it's okay. And number 10, the most important of them all is to just be you. You only get one you only get one life, so why substitute that by trying to be something or someone that you're not? So in 2025, normalize just being you. So what's your thoughts?
Have a plan. Pursue it. Stay motivated. Stay dedicated. Be a good person. There's a lot of negativity out here right now. A lot of negativity. Finding somebody that is genuine, honest, pure. It's almost like trying to find a needle in a haystack.
I just hope that people will use this year to really just, go out and fulfill those things that give you purpose. I think a lot of times we get so caught up in you just gotta do something to make ends meet. And there's a way to make ends meet but still fulfilling your purpose. And I just think once you get to a certain age, those are things that I think that become more clear to you that probably wouldn't when you're in your teens or your early 20s. But when you are in like that 50 plus bracket, you start looking at things a lot differently. You really do. I can attest to that. Normalize in 2025. It's almost like a bucket list. You know, I like bucket lists. I know you don't, but I do.
So I'll tell you one thing. We out here just rolling around. You know what I'm saying? My wife came up with some good ideas today that she actually posted online, and we decided to do something with it. So we took y'all along with us on this ride, and we just cruising right now.
Oh, look at Santa and Rudolph. They at the bar. Ah, that's hilarious. This over here, we got aerospace over here. Then we got our private airport over here for smaller
And
airplanes.
holder.
The Goodyear blimp holds the over in the hangar over there in the aerospace hangar, which is actually owned by LTA now. But the Goodyear blimp, you know, they actually dropped the blimp down over by Wingfoot, over where we got married at.
Oh, yeah.
So the blimp drops down over there.
That's right.
And so then this is the old rubber bowl over here that is no more.
What was the rubber bowl?
It was our football stadium for the University of Akron, and where we used to have our high school turkey bowl games. But they still have derby downs over there for the go-karts.
Did you ever hear the story that Dad talked about?
Which
the
one?
rubber bowl?
Uh-uh.
He talked about back in the days, you know, when he was a young teen, coming down here to the rubber bowl to watching the games, the high school games.
Yeah.
Before the season would start, the Browns would scrimmage the Steelers right here at the rubber bowl.
Yep, my mom told me that.
Yep.
My mom actually had a poster with a whole bunch of the Browns players had signed it. I don't know where it's at. I would love to find that.
Out here at the rubber bowl. Cars all lined up all over here and everything. We used to jump over here.
I like it though when the planes land right here, especially when they fly over by the houses and they're coming down and you watch them land over here. A lot of people don't even realize we have a small airport here in Akron.
Little local stuff here in the city.
Yeah. And this is how you start the new year. New day, new way.
Right.
And sometimes it's good to just talk it through and talk about it, inspire yourself and others that know you and don't know you. Just look at the year as a new starting point.
Yeah, this is cool.
Lockheed Martin used to be over here too, by aerospace.
Right. Oh my goodness.
Yes, they used to be over there as well. But they did own all of that, Lockheed did, but they sold it to LTA. Have you ever been inside there?
Yeah, and it's incredible.
Have you been inside there when they got the recycling stuff
No,
down
I went
there
in
now?
there when LTA was in here. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They took me through the whole thing. That place is humongous.
Yeah. So I met Hillary Clinton when I was one of the people in the motorcade with her when she came here to Akron. She was stumping for Barack Obama, and we met inside the hangar for us to get in the motorcade to follow up to Ella when she came to town.
But the other thing that's in there is
Waste management, their recycling is in that building. You just see this big old pile that looks like
Yeah, don't like them joints.
Remember where the place right there that says Air Gas used to be? It was a country kitchen.
Yeah,
Yeah.
back in the day.
yeah.
And this used to be, was it Red's?
What, the club?
Well, yeah, this used to be a concert hall where the church is now. It used to be a concert hall. I don't know. I think maybe Red's was in Cleveland, but I can't remember the name of this because we used to have things over here too. I remember us having there was a big thing over here. It was a rap concert, and we were in high school, and everybody at Central Hour went over. We all were there, but I can't remember who it was we went to see. But I know it was a rap concert. I wish a plane would have been coming in.
Well, that would have been awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Being yourself. It's only one of you, man. Live your life. Be who you are.